How to block someone on Facebook without waiting for 48 hours. Welcome to Glitch Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will guide you on how you can block someone on Facebook without waiting for 48 hours. For that, you want to first open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure that the application is fully updated. Once you have opened the app, you want to log into your account. Now, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Then scroll down and under the audience and visibility section, you have the option of blocking. Tap on that. Here, you're going to find all the people that you have blocked. Once you've blocked someone, that person can no longer see things you post on your timeline, tag you, invite you to events or groups, start a conversation with you, or add you as a friend. Let's say that you have just unblocked someone. Here it says that if you unblock this person, you will have to wait 48 hours if you want to block it again. Tap on the unblock option. Once you have unblocked it, let's say that you again want to block this person for some reason. If that is the case, then head back. You want to search for that person's profile. Once you have found it, tap on the three dots. Now here, if you tap on the block option, you won't be able to block it because you have only unblocked that person few minutes ago. Instead of this, you want to tap on the report profile option. Then from here, you want to select harassment or bullying. Here, it's going to show you other steps you can take. In here, you have block profile option. Tap on it and then tap on block. And now as you can see, you have successfully blocked that person without waiting for 48 hours. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.